The human body, a universe of complexity, constantly surprising us with its hidden abilities and intricate mechanisms. Let's dive into some mind-blowing discoveries that will change how you perceive yourself. Did you know your brain can rewire itself? Neuroplasticity allows your brain to adapt and form new connections throughout your life, meaning you can learn new skills and overcome challenges at any age. It's like having a constantly updating operating system. Your gut is a bustling city teeming with trillions of bacteria, collectively known as your microbiome. This microbial community plays a crucial role in digestion, immunity, and even mental health. Keeping your gut happy keeps you healthy and balanced. The human heart, an incredible pump, beats around 100,000 times a day, circulating blood throughout your body. But did you know it can also generate its own electrical impulses? It's truly an autonomous powerhouse. Every second, your body produces millions of new cells, replacing old or damaged ones. This constant renewal ensures the body stays functional and resilient, a testament to its remarkable self-repair capabilities. Your bones are not just rigid structures, they're living tissues that constantly remodel themselves. They respond to stress and adapt to physical activity, becoming stronger and denser over time. Use it or lose it applies here. Sleep is not just downtime, it's a crucial period of repair and consolidation. During sleep, your brain clears out toxins, consolidates memories, and prepares you for the day ahead. Prioritizing sleep is prioritizing your health. Your sense of taste is more complex than you think. It's not just about your taste buds, it's a combination of taste, smell, texture, and even temperature. It's a multi-sensory experience that influences your food preferences. The human body has an incredible ability to adapt to extreme environments. From high altitudes to deep sea depths, your body can make physiological adjustments to survive in challenging conditions. It's a true survival machine. Pain, while unpleasant, is a vital protective mechanism. It alerts you to potential dangers and prevents further injury. It's your body's way of saying, "Pay attention, something's wrong." Your immune system is a complex network of cells and proteins that defend your body against invaders. It has an incredible memory and can learn to recognize and fight off specific pathogens. It's your personal army. The human body is remarkably resilient. It has the capacity to heal from injuries, fight off infections, and adapt to changing environments. Appreciate the incredible machine that is your body. We are still uncovering new secrets about the human body every day. With advancements in science and technology, we continue to learn more about its intricate workings and its limitless potential. The journey of discovery continues. So, the next time you look in the mirror, remember the incredible complexity and resilience within you. Your body is a marvel of nature, a testament to the power of evolution, and a constant source of wonder.